Oh boy.
Oscar's got the bar chair going.
Where's he going?
They don't have chairs like we have over there.
Hey, I can't see the pins. This doesn't count.
Can we put Norm in the chair?
Yes. It's been able to do everything a little bit bigger than here. So.
A little bigger, yeah.
Everything's bigger. Feeling Oscar's going to toss it over the Brunswick chair. And a strike.
Never done this before, so we'll see
I
what
hope you
happens.
hit the chair.
First time ever.
Personally, I'd like to see you hit it so you can do it over.
For execution, a perfect score.
I think he's going to do it again.
Yeah, he didn't like that. He's going to try to redo it.
He's going to mulligan. Mulligan.
Can't wait to call that.
The good news.